going on, guys? Jay, that drain guy. So I got called in to check out about a leaking pipe in a garage at a building we service, and I see this. So I started taking the 2 bolts out of there, and I think this line is completely plugged. If you're gonna move, I would move quick.
No problem. Water is coming from yesterday.
Yeah. So we got somebody in a vehicle behind the camera, and she said this one's backing up since yesterday. So as you guys can see, it's clogged. So we're not in an area that has power. So I guess this is going to be one of those jobs we can use the Milwaukee This is a line that probably should be power washed. It's a sanitary line, but I dropped the mic, but I retrieved it. All right, so we're gonna use the 7/8 cable. Hopefully the machine holds up. I know I've been having some issues with it. Jesus Christ. So we are in the sub-basement of this garage, and there's nothing below here. So we're hoping that the blockage is just at the 90, and we're hoping that it's not actually broken. So this is a 4-inch pipe. We're going to use the 3-inch cutter. Okay. Get you guys a little bit closer, just 1 second. So these are kitchen lines, and they're also picking up a floor drain up on the P1 level. So we're on the P2, I guess is what you could call it. But these are kitchen stacks that are coming down and then down into there. But everything's going, so I'm gonna put in one more cable and then we'll pull everything out. Always want to make sure the pin gets right through. So the cable's going in fine now. It was just at the 90. Yeah, I'm able to pull it out by hand. So that tells me it was just some grease buildup in the 90. But like I said, this line should be power washed, so we will be recommending that to them. Nice and greasy. Now my van's gonna stink. All right, guys, I want to thank you for watching. This has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. If you guys like what we did, let me know. Let me know down in the comment. I don't have anything to ask you guys today because they say when you want somebody to comment on a video, you should be asking them a question. So I guess the question I'm gonna ask you guys is what you do right now for a career, and then with that being said, what did you always dream about doing? Now, does that have anything to do with what we're doing here today? Not really, but it's a question, and I think we could get a lot of interactions in the comment sections. Anyway, I'll answer everything that comes in, and yeah, thanks for watching. Until next time, Taragna.